Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on Excel. Today I will be showing you a very basic but useful function in Excel, which is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting using formulas. Okay, so the cells would be formatted in such a way that if it meets a certain condition, then only it will format the cells, otherwise it will not. Okay, so I have the data here, okay, which I will obviously carry on to a different page, uh, and the criteria here. For example, I have the name of the students and the marks obtained by the students, and the criteria for formatting is if the marks obtained by the student is greater than or equal to 80, then the conditional formatting should be applied. Okay, so for this set, I have used only the marks rows marks column to be highlighted, but for this set I have chosen the name of the student or and the marks both to be highlighted by conditional formatting. So now let's see what the difference is of how to go about doing it. So what I'll do is I'll just copy paste this to here or somewhere to somewhere here. But remember one thing, if you just simply copy paste, it goes along with the conditional formatting. Okay, so there's no way you can do that. So I'll just deselect this. I don't want to build my data from the scratch again, because and then value paste it. Okay, so now this removes everything, all the conditional formatting things. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for here. Okay, I'll do the same thing from here only. This doesn't have any value. Okay, so we are all good to go. Now, first thing first, we need to highlight the rows here, or the column here, where the marks obtained by the students is greater than or equal to 80. Okay, so to do that we will have to first select the whole range here, go to conditional formatting, choose a new rule. Okay, use a formula. Okay, now watch carefully here, because we will be referencing the first cell of the selection. Okay, and Excel by default puts in the dollar sign in front of the uh, in the cell. Okay, so this is something that we need to avoid. Okay, I'll just write down my formula here first, and then I'll go about doing it. Is greater than equal to 80. Okay, now I'll go back here and I'll press F4 three times. Okay, so this removes completely the condition, fixed cell reference that Excel has automatically chosen. Then I'll go to format cells, I'll go to fill color, choose a light shade of, okay, I've chosen a green here. Okay, I'll choose one green which is compatible, and that's it. We got it right. 97, 52, 52, these are all below 80, 59. Okay, all marks over 80 has been highlighted with the color green. Okay, we can change this criteria to, let's say, 70. Let's see if anything changes. Yes, 75 comes into the picture now. Okay, change it to 60. A few more will appear. Change it to 90. A very few will appear. So let's move back to the original one, 80. Now the next question is how to go about formatting both the rows, I mean both the name and the marks here. That is the whole row, uh, how to apply the conditional formatting on this whole row, okay, based on this criteria. In this case, what we have done is we have just go ahead and you know conditionally formatted the marks column, okay, but we need the whole row to be highlighted here based on the criteria given here. Not much of a difficult task here, just a tweak in the formula. We'll have to choose the whole data here. Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, go to conditional formatting, new rules, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now check this carefully. See here, I will again choose the marks column. Okay, by default, and I'll just let me finish the formula here, greater than equal to 80. Now see here, there are two things here. One is it is referring to is column K. Okay, now column K, sorry, column L. The marks are in column L, but it should not move to column J, or because we are using two columns here, we need to keep the column L fixed and change the rest. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll just simply go ahead and remove the $sign from here and format it, let's say with a green color. This is good, fine. Okay, got it. Okay, I'll just make one more changes here. I'll just change the font a bit. So I hope you understood the situation here. See, it's a bit complicated, but doesn't matter. I'll just go ahead and explain it to you once more. So what is the formula we are using here? See, what happens here is that it has, by default, Excel will choose the and fix the number, cell number here. Okay, L. Okay, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and just go ahead and remove the $sign from the first from the column number. Okay, but the row number remains to be the same. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and do it once more. If you want me to do it, I'll just remove manage rules and I'll remove this one, delete rules. I'll apply it once more. Okay, let's see, I'll go to conditional formatting, new rules, select a formula. I'll choose the column L here, and I'll just complete my formula first. Is greater than equal to 80, and what I'll do here is I will go ahead and remove this $sign. Okay, so format this, fill color remains the same, which is I think a dark green I have chosen. Font, I can change it to italics and make it bold. Font color, strike through, make it bold, automatic. Do I need to change the font color? Font size, no, bold italics is okay. Okay, see, so this is how we can go ahead and format, do a conditional formatting based on a formula. Okay, when a particular condition is given, we can go ahead and format only a single column, or the columns along with the or the rows along with along with the columns. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. This is a very short video, but I hope this will be very helpful in your work. Okay, while you are doing data visualization and things like that. Thank you again for watching my video. If you like this, do subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up for like uh, press the like button. Okay, thank you very much again for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.